Let's look at some more options that we have over here under pivot data analyze. Okay. First, we'll jump to the last group over here, these three very simple options that I would like to show you. Field list. This is basically the list of fields, and this is the place from where we are configuring the pivot table. So if I click on this, it goes away. So basically it was selected, I deselected it. Now when I click on it again, it comes back. Okay, that is one thing. Next thing you notice, the way we designed our table is we have product type and then the list of products under each type, isn't it? So automatically, very small though, but you see there is this icon here. It is right now expanded. Okay, this minus sign is referred to as, there is a minus that you will see and there will be a plus later on. I will show you. These buttons are to do a drill down. When you click on the plus, it will drill down and take you to the next level. Minus will do a roll up. Or you can say drill up, anything. So these buttons will be there by default, the drill down and the roll up. Right now it's drill down. If I click on the minus, it rolls back. You see, it's going back. You see, these are the 4 product types. Under each product type, there are multiple products. Why did the plus and minus, which help us drill down and roll up, come? Because of this option being active by default. The buttons option is active by default. It is better to keep it that way. When I click on the plus sign, it will drill down and expand that member. It's showing the members that are present under coffee. If I drill down, it shows the members under espresso. Again, I can drill down and see the members under herbal tea. Further drill down and look at the members under tea. Okay, so by clicking on the minus, we are doing a roll up. By clicking on the plus, we are doing a drill down. If I click on this buttons option on the ribbon, that will go away. Okay, that drill down and roll up feature goes away, but it should always be kept. You can see how friendly it is, right? It's better to keep it. Then the next option that we have there, field headers. So if I uncheck this, the field header means whether it is row labels or column labels, that kind of information disappears. You can notice the A1 cell now. If I click on field headers again, it comes back. Okay. So 3 very simple but useful.